Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how we use the Post V2 profile functions in MKT Post software. These functions allow you to automatically update the short video on the Facebook account. First, in the main interface of MKT Post, click on Post V2 profile and we choose the account that we want to run. With the general configurations, the interval between two actions is usually set from 15 to 30 seconds, and switch account and consecutive error we set it to 3 times. With the content configuration, we could choose using available content. That means we will select the Reels content in content management. And besides, we could import from the PC that we click on config video and select the video source here. I have some video here, so we choose the video that we want to post and we tick on the video here, and we could enter the hashtag here. Its hashtag will align, for example, viral and reels, something like that, and we add hashtag in the end or at the beginning of the description. We could just add hashtag, and we could set the video description here, or we could take the video name to be the video descriptions and we press save. We could choose like a post a video randomly or post video in order, and we have the option skip video success. It means when one video uploaded successfully, the software will skip the successful video and won't post it the second time. Or if you tick on allow duplicate content between accounts, that means your account will post the same video. Okay, with the real post configurations, with the post per account, how many posts, it means the number of posts that your account will post per time run. And we could choose like tag other with keyword or comment after successfully post. That will depend on the demand. And we could save the scenario to save the configurations, and then we could press start to begin posting reels to your Facebook profile. And after you post successfully, the software will have the post histories for you to check the video after posting. And that's how we post reel to profile using MKT Post software. Hope you guys enjoy my video and see you in our next video. Goodbye.